Hi everyone, welcome back to a new session in which we will be discussing about careers in counseling. As you know, we keep talking about different career options for young people who want to join a profession or who want to enter a course which leads them to a particular profession. And most of the people are either confused which profession they should follow. So we keep making videos and articles about the various career options, and so that you can choose your own career depending on your aptitude, your desires and your circumstances. So basically today we are going to talk about careers in counseling. We'll study in detail, or we'll discuss in detail what is counseling, what type of qualities you need to be a counselor, what are the career options for counselors, what are the salaries you can get as a counselor, and various other things. Before we get on with the discussion, I'd like to introduce two people who have been of special help in making this article possible. The first one is Ms. Smridhi Tyagi. She is a counselor and having her own setup, and she works in various regions like Bombay, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. And the second one is Dr. Ritu Modi. She is a psychologist, a researcher, and also currently working as an assistant professor. And not to mention, she is my cousin also. Of course, the last part may not be of interest to you, but that's special for me, so I keep mentioning it every time I get an opportunity. So coming straight to the point, let's talk about careers in counseling.